Hi lovelies, thank you for joining me. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how to do a full cover nail with a foil leaf. So you could buy 24 carat leaf if you want. But this is coloured foil leaf, and this is friend mail that's coming from Julie. Don't know if you remember, Julie did a friend mail and made me these lovely resin pots and a Christmas tree. Anyway, she's now sent me some foil leaf to, she's sharing it out with me because she's bought so much, it came in a pack. And she said, I want to share it on. So some of it is for me, and then some is to share with you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'll open it up and show you. And I'll be keeping some of it and using some of it because Julie would want that. But I'm also going to put some in that next giveaway that I'm building up for. So I'll show you what we've got. So you'll have seen nails done with the foil, and you've used it yourself probably, and it comes in little tiny bits like this in a pot. You've got to be careful not to blow it away. Don't sneeze or anything, but it comes in little tiny bits like that. Well, mixed up size bits. But you can also buy this sort of really thin foil as a sheet. And this is what she sent me, and look at this load. Wow. I was absolutely amazed. Thank you so much, Julie, for thinking about the viewers as well. Can you see all the colours, look? Absolutely amazing. So I'll show you how they come. They come as like a double wrap, and the leaf is on the inside of it, so you get a big sheet of it. So you can use this in different ways. You can use it just like the ones in the pot and just screw up this paper, and it blows away all over the place. But this has come in so many colours. I've got a gold, a copper. See if I can sort them. We've got gold, we've got copper there. Turquoise blue. Isn't that stunning? More like an aqua blue. That's absolutely stunning. We've got, what's this? Oh, is that, I think that's a slightly darker gold. Yeah. Whoop. This one's like a yellow gold, and then we've got a bronzy gold. That's pretty. Stop curling up. Is that a different colour there? So that is the darker gold. I think this one might be, yeah, so this is that one. Red, just imagine full nail done in this. Red, absolutely stunning. So I've got red ones, we'll share those out. That's the gold that I just showed you. There. Silver. So this came in a mixed packet, as you can see, but she got so many. We'll never get around to using all these, will we? Look at that purple. Oh, gold. That's gorgeous. Purple. Bright blue. Somehow. Come on, where's the edge? Oh, it's the other way. Bright royal regal blue, that. More silver. Silver is there. Magenta. Oh, wow. pink, dusky rosy pink. Purple. Green. Oh, Christmas. Wow. That's just stunning. And bear with a black one. Wow. Awesome. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to split all these up. And put some in my giveaway drawer, but we'll do this full cover nail with it today. So I'm just going to half these before I start. So let's half the silver. Blue. There we go. So that's those for the giveaway drawer. Look at them. Oh, thank you, Julie. Thank you so much. And then those I'll probably split down again for a future giveaway so that you get 2 goes. So I've prepped this nail and it's just a normal full cover tip with a base coat on. You can put a colour background on if you want to. If you've got a gold paint, you can put a gold paint on just in case you miss any bits. But I want to see what I've missed and whether this application is successful. So I'm not putting any colour in the background, but the way I'm going to stick it on is with a foil glue, because it is super sticky. I want to make sure I've covered every little bit. So it's all about the prep with this, making sure you've covered it. If you do use a dark colour and wipe off your inhibition layer before you go in with your foil gel, you'll be able to see whether you've missed any bits or not. So I'll make sure I've gone right over the edge. Give it the cure that you normally do. So with this one I've got it's 30 seconds. And then I've got a very soft brush. This brush I'm using is called a Filbert. It's an artist brush, size 12, although that don't really matter. But just something that's really soft. So I don't really wear makeup, so you've probably got a makeup brush or something that's similar to this. So it's slightly pointed, you know, feathered down at the end. And I can brush it on nice and soft. So that's had its 30 seconds. Now when you get it in bits, what you do is just pick a little bit up with your brush and just pop it on, and you've got bits all over. But I want the full cover with this. So this is where you don't want to breathe or cough. So I'm just going to open that up. And then what you do is invert your finger like that and put it on it. So I'm going to go fairly near the edge, but make sure I'm right over this cuticle. And it'll start to try and lift it up. So there we go. Oh, I've not gone right up there, look. Well, that's good. That's good, I suppose, in a way, because I can show you about filling that space in. So I'm just going to pat this down towards the back and then brush it down. Brush it over the edge. And those edges will flake away. I want to get right into there. Into them side walls. massage it down. I'm not going over that tacky with this brush because I don't want to lose any tackiness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get a little bit of this. Come on, pick up. I'm going to put it over the end. That's it. Right into your side walls. And over the edge. And the excess will just brush off. And put that back in. Any little bits like this, you can put them in a pot if you want. Don't waste them. I've got a little really tiny sort of dotting tool. I'm just going to go around sidewall edges. Around a cuticle. Scrape anyway. There we go. I'm brushing a bit soft that are loose. You don't want that to come off, so I'm going to use a fairly soft file and I'm just going to go under the bottom, but don't come up, otherwise you might push it up. I'm just going down away from it. Same with this side. And then the top coat can wrap over. There we are, on the top coat. Wrap it around the edge, cover the end. Wrap it over that edge. So there you go. So that's the foils going in the giveaway. And whoops, that's your full leaf foil nail. That's going to be eye-catching, isn't it? Wow. Don't forget, you can stamp over it once you've done your foil, if you base coat, and then you'll be able to stamp on it or paint your designs over. Put transfers over the top as well. Lace over it or anything you want, but yeah, absolutely stunning. Imagine it in all those different colours. So thank you once again, Julie, for sending that through and for asking me to share it with everybody. Really appreciate it. I think it's marvellous. Take care, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments. I've started a little list going of anything that people want to see in future videos. So I've done some and there's more to come. So take care, everybody. Love ya. Bye.